sip and serve with Russell's.
Hello everyone. Today, let's make these bread-crumbed prawns that look as good as they taste. First, coat your prawns by dipping them in flour, then beaten egg, and finally into breadcrumbs. Heat oil over medium-high heat and fry the prawns in batches until they're golden and crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Now let's plate it up. Start with a bed of chopped cabbage. Lay the prawns over it. Now add fresh salad leaves on the side. And finish with chopped bell peppers and pomegranate seeds for a pop of color. And there you have it. Bread-crumbed prawns that are crispy, juicy, and beautiful on the plate. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious bites. See you next time.